Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of plus 0.28 and momentum of plus 0.58 in the stock market. This is a notable spike compared to the historical averages. What's particularly striking is the sentiment shift. It's above the usual baseline, indicating a sudden surge in positive sentiment across 18 semantic clusters. When you pull from our API, you get real-time sentiment data alongside momentum, helping you gauge market mood accurately. Imagine using this to enhance your investment strategies. By integrating this sentiment data into your algorithms, you could identify actionable trends before they hit the mainstream. Ready to dive deeper? Check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs for all the details.